Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am layering two different colors on t-shirts. One t-shirt I will be layering vinyl and the other shirt I will be layering vinyl and glitter. But before we get started, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I will post new videos weekly. For my first design, I will be using the slash marks. I found these that I like. So what I'm doing here is I'm recreating the design, the slash mark design. I will be using the word beast, and then I'm going to change the font to the font that I like. So here I put the design with the wording, and this is where I subtract my wording from my design. As you see here, it's subtracted. So when it's time for me to heat press the design and the wording, it will fit together like a puzzle. Both of these I will be using vinyl for, both the slash mark and the word beast. Now for the second design, I'm using this set of lips. Again, I'm just going to recreate the lips. It's sort of almost like a copy and paste. The word I'm using for this design will be beauty. I'm going to select a nice font for it. And so then I'm going to place the word beauty on top of the lips, and then I'm going to subtract the word from the lips.
You are now listening to the sounds of home sweet music.
And as you see, the word was subtracted. Now these are the two final designs. This is what they will look like on t-shirts. So I've weeded my wording. And I've also weeded the designs. Okay, magic time. Okay, so I've heat pressed the word on the shirt first. And now it's just putting the puzzle piece together.
You are now listening to the sounds.
And guess what? Voila. These look really good. You guys, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe because there are more videos coming soon. Thank you again for watching.